This unhealthy food cures high cholesterol. There's an unprecedented amount of people taking statins. Following dietary advice from the American Heart Association to cure their high cholesterol problems. If they're following such expert medical advice, why are high cholesterol and cardiovascular disease cases skyrocketing around the world? A research group from Dublin put a revolutionary theory to a test in a study published in the journal Nutrition Diabete. If something isn't working, do the exact opposite. Most of us grew up with the advice that dairy is unhealthy, and we should restrict our intake of milk, butter, cheese, and cream. The good news is what you've been told isn't entirely true. Previously, we were told dairy products contain saturated fat, and it increases our levels of LDL, bad cholesterol. However, a recent study proved otherwise. Researchers asked 1,500 adults to consume food diaries for 4 days. They also collected their subjects' fasting blood samples and conducted various other tests. Those who ate more dairy products had the lowest body mass indices, the lowest percentage of body fat, the smallest waist circumference, the smallest waist-to-hip ratio, and the lowest systolic and diastolic blood pressure, which are all signs of good health. The subjects were split into 3 groups. They consumed 1. Butter and cream, 2. Whole milk, 3. Reduced fat milk and yogurt. If the traditional advice is correct, you would expect the last group to have yielded the healthiest results. Instead, they had higher total cholesterol and triglyceride body fat levels than the other groups. Those who drank the most milk, whole or low fat, had lower circulating levels of some inflammatory markers than their peers, and also had higher insulin sensitivity. Eating too much of anything isn't that healthy. To cure your high cholesterol today, you need to cut out this one ingredient that you didn't even know you were consuming. Click the link below to find out more.